How to change payment method on Lyft app. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can change payment method on the Lyft app. For this, go ahead and launch the Lyft application. If you don't have this app, you can head over to Play Store or App Store in order to download and install the application. Once it has been installed, open it and sign into your account. Now, if you want to change the payment method, tap on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen. From here, tap on Payment. Now, if you already have a payment method, before deleting it, you will actually have to add another payment method. For that, tap on the Add Payment Method option. Here, you have the options of credit or debit card, PayPal, or cash. Select whichever option you prefer. If you select credit or debit card, you will have to enter the card number, expiration date of the card, CVV number, then tap on the Save option. Once your new payment method has been added, you can simply delete the previous payment method, or you can set the new payment method as your default. And in this way, you can change the payment method on Lyft app. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.